Good morning, it's day 56. It's about 7:15. I'm just leaving camp. It was an extremely cold night, little light frost. I was so cold. I wish I had my winter air pad. I have my NERO Air X-Lite, which is more of a summer weight pad, and it leaks. So I had a hard time sleeping. I was so cold. It constantly refilling my pad. It might be due to the cold. It's air compacting, I guess, under when it gets cold. But I am been cold since the moment I got into my sleep system, and it's before 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm still cold, but I'm upbeat because I'm going into town today. I get to take a hot shower and get some rash medicine for my terrible rashes. This is horrible that I have. So yeah, I only have about 8 miles, so I'm going to hoof it there and contact the trail angels picking me up. I'm excited. It's going to be a great day. For the last probably 2 to 3, 4 miles, I've been walking on a bed of rocks. His misery really is great to pounding on your feet. Whenever there's a sharp rock, you feel it intensely in the ball of your feet. I try and land on my heel because I have a plastic protective cup there, but still it's tiring. You go slower, you have to be more careful where you plant your feet. But it's 10 o'clock and I'm getting to my target, so that's all good. Well, it's about 11:05 and I did 8.9 miles, call it 9, and I came down that dusty trail you see there, and I'm sitting in a parking lot and I'm waiting for a trail angel who's listed on Far Out, called Kenny Anderson, who will pick you up, host you at his place. You can shower, laundry, he'll drive you to the market. It's a reasonable fee of $45, all worth it. So I'm sitting here waiting, decompressing. Talk to you soon. Hey, you'd never expect it, but this is the place, the hostel I'm staying. Kenny is incredibly accommodating, and yeah, it's not what I expected, but it's all good. So, yippee! Hey guys, I'm here with all my friends, and let's let them introduce themselves.
Big D.
From where?
From Mexico.
Oh, there
Oh,
you go.
welcome.
Kenny, also named as Cookie.
He's our trail angel host. Awesome. Great job.
Pickup from Nebraska.
Nebraska. Corn.
Sewing machine from Luxembourg.
Luxembourg.
And Shaggy from Wisconsin.
You guys are great. Great meeting you again today at the hostel. Take care. Hey guys, this is the end of day 56. Hiked close to 9 miles today, then got picked up by a trail angel and brought to his house, a famous Big Bear trail angel. There's a bunch of other hikers that showed up as well, people who I had hiked with in the past. I did laundry, showered. You could see I shaved. That took a while. I was like shearing a sheep. Went out and got resupply. Had a great dinner. Kenny, our host, made us milkshakes when we came back. He was just treating us like kings all day long. What a fabulous host. And so tomorrow morning at around 9 o'clock, head back to trail. And I've got less than 200 miles to Julian, which is pretty exciting. So I think I have about 85 or 90 miles to Idyllwild, which is my next resupply point, and should take me probably 4 or 5 days. And from there, I can more likely set my sights on Julian. I might have to stop for a small resupply somewhere, but pretty exciting. Felt really good being in a clean place that's temperature controlled. I was so cold last night, but happy to be here and looking forward to finishing the rest of the trail. Talk to you soon.